Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is Hootmoney here with another video for you guys today. We're going to be talking about the metaverse once again. No, the metaverse is not a trend. It's not a fad. It's not something that's going to go away in a month, in a year. The metaverse is coming and it's here to stay, guys. Meta platforms, or Facebook as they used to be known as, they would not have changed their name to Meta if Metaverse was just some BS concept or BS trend. You don't see Tesla changing their name to fidget spinner because people were flicking their fidget spinners for a month. No, Metaverse is a technological breakthrough that will happen soon. You guys just need to go to oculus.com or whatever it's called. Go on Google right now, search Oculus. Do it after the video. Watch the video. But you just have to see the technology that they have in virtual reality and augmented reality and everything. This is something that is here to stay. And then developers are going to continue to develop these metaverse projects because, well, people are addicted to technology. People want this. It's not other people deciding for you. It is literally people want this technology, right? Mark Zuckerberg's not just throwing this on you. I know people who will use this technology because they legitimately want to. We are addicted. We are crackheads, literally sucking every ounce out of technology that we can. I've got a camera on me right now, a ring light, 2 displays, my iPhone, a light up keyboard, a wireless mouse. You guys get the point. I'm a crackhead for technology. So this metaverse thing, it's not something you should ignore, and I hope I just proved the point that you can profit greatly off of this. I can't explain it. I can't explain it enough, and it's absolutely insane. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to be explaining what exactly I'm investing in this whole metaverse, see if my opinions have changed and whatnot. I really am focusing on the metaverse crypto and gaming crypto right now, but there's other things as well that I'm looking at that could benefit greatly off of the metaverse. So without further ado, I kindly ask you guys leave that like on the video and subscribe for more content, and then hit that post notification bell down below. We live stream each and every single day on this channel, so by hitting that post notification bell, you get notified when I go live. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. So here we have the Metaverse Portfolio right here. As you guys can see, this is filled with a few different stocks that I think will benefit from the metaverse. And why do I talk about stocks? This is a crypto video because, first of all, I understand that all of these stocks right here are going to be at the forefront of this metaverse technology. I know not everyone on my channel, at least, has the appetite to take in all this risk by opening all these crypto brokerage accounts, transacting their money on crypto. I get it. You look at this metaverse portfolio right here. It includes Roblox, Nvidia, Activision Blizzard, Microsoft, Meta Platforms, literally Metaverse, and Amazon. And there's a whole reason why all of these are in the portfolio. First of all, Meta Platforms, they own Oculus. They are literally trying to create a metaverse. Not everyone likes Facebook. I understand it, but they do have the best technology. Microsoft, you're going to need an operating system. It's probably going to be run on your computer a lot of the time. So Microsoft could definitely be a huge aspect and will benefit greatly off of any increase in technology. I mean, they're the most valuable company in the world. They own a decent chunk of cloud hosting on the internet, so they will likely be hosting a lot of the servers that the metaverse runs on. Same with Amazon. Amazon owns the most cloud hosting on the internet. They will definitely be running some of these servers. Activision Blizzard will definitely be eventually developing some of these games, but I'm less conviction in Activision Blizzard and Roblox, as my higher conviction is in some of these metaverse cryptos. Also, Nvidia is going to be the powerhouse of the metaverse. They will be the ones who are generating these graphics cards with high computing power that could actually run this type of technology, because it's going to be graphically intensive. So all of these stocks could be an amazing addition to your metaverse portfolio. And if you guys wanted to check out this software to actually download these stocks, this is Moomoo. So Moomoo is actually running the best promotion on stocks They also don't do any payment for order flow, and they give you free level 2 data, as well as lets you trade in multiple different markets. They're doing a promotion where you get one free stock valued up to $350 as long as you open an account on their platform. The links are below in the description or pinned comment section. But as long as you deposit at least $1 on their platform, you can get up to $3,500 in free stock. So a 10 times higher reward for just depositing $1. If you deposit $2,000, you can get 3 stocks worth up to $3,500. That's a total of $10,500 that you could potentially win by depositing $2,000. So you guys should definitely check it out, even if you don't want to put your main account there. The links are below in the description and pinned comment section. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. So as you guys can see right here, we have the cryptocurrency coin market cap, the top cryptocurrency. So you see obviously Bitcoin's up here, Ethereum as well. So we did see a big dip in the cryptocurrency market yesterday, and there's actually some conspiracies going on between essentially Bitcoin and Evergrande. If you guys have not heard of Evergrande, they recently defaulted on their debt yesterday. They were a huge debt issuer, so they owed a lot of money, over about $150 million in interest payments as of yesterday. And magically, there was a Bitcoin wallet that was dormant for 8 years, and it withdrew money. And guess how much that money was worth? It was worth $150 million. So someone sold Bitcoin from a dormant wallet that was dormant for 8 years, and it matched the exact payment that Evergrande owes in their interest payments. So that's a little sketchy. I mean, how many dormant wallets are there with $150 million? I guess it's all on the blockchain, so you guys can see that. But that is a big reason why Bitcoin is down today. Some of Ethereum is down as well, but a lot of the dips have been bought right back up. We also see that gaming crypto has actually been affected by this crisis, and you can see a lot of these coins are in fact down as of today. So I like to think that gaming won't have in the long run a huge correlation to cryptocurrency, and I can prove that to you guys right now, because cryptocurrency, this is a financial asset. Its value is tied greatly to inflation and other financial metrics. When gaming, the value of these coins are going to be, at least in the future, once these games are all fully developed, that value of Sandbox coin, for example, is going to be based off of users on the platform. If there's more users playing Sandbox, more users transacting with Sand because they're playing the game, Sand will be worth more because they will be paying that money in order to get the Sandbox so that they can use it in the game. So if we look right here at the video game revenues growth over the past 20 years or so, you can see that almost every single year there was an increase in total video game growth. And with crypto gaming, it's going to be even more explosive because they are starting at a much smaller scale. The gaming industry is so large, crypto gaming is only a tiny fraction of it, and we do believe that crypto gaming could potentially take over some traditional gaming. People would rather play a game to make money rather than play a game for fun. So we do believe that there will be some explosive growth in the crypto gaming industry, and it should follow a pattern much like this. Now, there will be recessions. I have to say that as a risk. There will be recessions in the metaverse, in these virtual worlds as well. But it's hard to say how much of that will tie to a cryptocurrency market correction, a stock market correction, or just an overall economic recession. So with that being said, I am bullish. I do think that a lot of these coins will be able to withstand a bear market simply for this reason alone, because video game industry will grow no matter what. People want to have fun in bear markets or in bull markets. So that's what's really driving my conviction behind this, and also just the fact that they aren't valued too high. A lot of these cryptocurrencies here in the gaming cryptocurrency, they also introduced a metaverse category here on CoinMarketCap, but a lot of these gaming cryptos are definitely going to benefit based off of the growth in the industry, more so than a Bitcoin correction or S&P 500 correction. So that's what I'm seeing in these gaming cryptos. And now let's just talk about which gaming cryptos I am very, very bullish on. So Axie Infinity has proven its model. It is the most highly valued gaming crypto. A lot of the gaming crypto market actually follows Axie Infinity. They have the best team. They have team members working on multiple different projects. Axie Infinity knows what they're doing. They have an amazing user base, so that is a huge thing with these gaming cryptos. You want to look for something that has a large user base, because the users that actually play the game are the ones who are going to be transacting with AXS, for example, and that's what's going to drive its value. So because of Axie Infinity's success in actual gaming growth, just getting gamers on their game, they were able to grow the market cap to about $9 billion. So the real explosive growth in a lot of these games is going to come once actual users are on the game. Right now, we have the sandbox Sand at a $2 billion market cap. I honestly think, at least at this point in its life cycle, you can probably get it for a cheaper price because the game is not out yet. You can also look at this daily chart right here. It is a bit overshot. The MACD has it coming down right here. The RSI is a little bit overbought. The Bollinger Bands are obviously very, very spread out. If this technical analysis right here is confusing, I completely understand, but there is a chance that it could have some room to come back down to its 200 moving average at some point, and anything from $2 to $1.50, I really do think is a buying opportunity for Sandbox. I mean, I will be buying it personally, especially because I do expect a massive bull market in these gaming cryptos. Another one that you really should pay attention to, especially if you're big bullish on the metaverse, is Engine Coin, because this is going to be the backbone of a lot of these NFT gaming projects. A lot of different games will be utilizing Engine Coin, and with that, I believe Engine Coin should in fact have the market cap that it deserves right here. I almost see it as the Ethereum of NFT gaming, and it's only at a $2 billion market cap. This one could easily go up to $20 billion. I think this is a top 25 overall crypto right here. Another one right here is Ultra UOS. This one is a beast, and they're actually going to be releasing games on their platform very, very soon. And by releasing these games, that will give Ultra or UOS a huge advantage and give it some intrinsic value. So this is its project right now. It only has the wallet available. They also have their own version of Twitch TV right here, but they will be releasing games very, very soon. So Ultra could be one that you should be looking out for. And also, I just wanted to add here is that you see a lot of these are down, like Sandbox is down 14%, 10%, 14%. They might have a bit more room to fall. There's a few others right here like Radio Kaka, Remix that are up in the past 7 days, but most of them have been falling down. Alluvium's down, Yield Guild Games falling down. I like all of these projects right here, Gala, but it's going to be the time to start dollar cost averaging into some of these games solely because they are coming down now. It's going to be more attractive, but if we do look right here at Sandbox's chart, which is, I'm just looking at it as an index. We can look at Axie Infinity as well. There is a bit more room for these coins to fall down before making their next leg up. I likely expect this will come back down to the 100 moving average right here. It's about 98 for Axie Infinity, but by the time it gets there, it'll probably be around 110-ish. So there probably is a bit room for these coins to fall. But with that being said, that means that you can buy them up for cheaper prices, which is what I'm excited for, because I'm well positioned in a lot of these coins right now, but I'm looking to add to that position because, again, these are some of my highest conviction assets of anything right now. Stocks, cryptocurrency. I'm looking at these metaverse gaming cryptos, and I do believe that it is still early and we are setting up for a massive run. Veracity is another good project implementing the proof of view ecosystem, and this is going to be huge because, as you guys can see, there's millions of people right now on Twitch. I mean, just look at these view counts. They're absolutely insane. And with the proof of view system for Veracity, this will reward both people viewing these Twitch streams and the streamers themselves, and it'll create even more incentive to watch streams and be a streamer. Alluvium is awesome. I do believe it could in fact go to the same market cap as Sandbox, which would imply about a 250% upside from the current prices. Alluvium is essentially an RPG. It's a 3D version of Pokemon. That's what everyone is saying it is going to be, and it has amazing trailers. This is going to be a project that actually is successful and will have a very large user base. But again, there might be a chance that you can get it for a lot cheaper. It is up, and it doesn't have any users yet. It's still in development. So once this thing does get users, I expect the price again to potentially go parabolic. It's much better than Axie Infinity, and Axie Infinity is at $9 billion in market cap. What Axie Infinity has going for it is actual users on their platform. So Alluvium is a very good one. Gala, this is another one because this is more of a development studio using Gala as the backbone currency of the games that they're creating. So this one will also give you some nice diversification, especially when these games are in fact produced. You can see that Gala Games right here was founded by the co-founder of Zynga, so they obviously know exactly what they're doing. They're probably going to end up launching a lot of mini games such as poker, Mafia Wars, Farmville type games. Nothing of those AAA games, but still it's going to be a very diversified asset and obviously has a very great team behind it. Right here you can see Yield Guild Games. This is another one. You can stake this coin, and this is one that I think right now is a great time to buy. I mean, just looking at this chart, it's not even close to its all-time highs. It's actually about 33% down from its all-time highs. So this is where you want to be greedy in Yield Guild Games. I am very confident in Yield Guild Games because it's almost like a real estate investment trust for some of these digital world assets, some of these metaverse assets. So they'll invest in things like Axie Infinity characters, Decentraland land, Sandbox NFTs, and they have a whole team behind the coin that is deciding on what exactly to invest in. So this also gives you tons of diversification, and it's only at a $422 million market cap. So I believe this could grow greatly, especially if we see some of these other games growing a lot, such as Axie Infinity, such as Decentraland, such as Sandbox. Star Atlas is another solo game. It's an MMO, and it's going to be built on Unreal Engine 5, and they're basically creating this whole massive galaxy-based metaverse, and they are still in development, so they only have a trailer. This one's a little bit more risky because, again, you're not getting the diversification aspect that you're getting from some of these other coins, but you also don't have a finished product. So while I do think it will be successful in the long run, I don't think right now is necessarily the time to get into it. I'd wait for the team and the development to pick up before actually getting into this one. So that's all I got for the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Those are my top metaverse picks right now. Don't sleep on some of the stocks that I mentioned, especially if you're a bit risk averse. A lot of the coins that I was talking about, you have to transact with USDT. So Tether's a whole video on its own that I could talk about Tether, but it's also on KuCoin, which is an offshore exchange. So it is a bit more risky buying some of these gaming coins, but it also has the benefit of it being listed on a big mainstream exchange such as FTX, Coinbase, Gemini in the future. So that's why a lot of these KuCoin altcoins are in fact gems and will grow in market cap once it is listed on a larger exchange such as Coinbase. So I do like a lot of these coins, but again, they are a bit risky in the current state. And if you did want to invest in some of those metaverse stocks, I recommend using the Moomoo platform. And if you deposit at least $1 on their platform, you can get up to $3,500 in free stock just for signing up, depositing $1. You can check it out using the links below in the description or pinned comment section. It's also very good if you wanted to do charting analysis. So right now you have to pay like $30 a month or $15 a month for TradingView just to get some indicators and multiple charts. On Moomoo, you can do every single cryptocurrency. So you can basically analyze any cryptocurrency you want or stock and use as many indicators as you want. So it's very, very, very good for charting as well. And again, deposit $1 on their platform, up to $3,500 in free stock. That's about it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Drop a like if you guys did. Subscribe for more content and hit that post notification bell down below. I'll be seeing you guys next time, and have fun. Peace.